Hello, friends. Um, I was. It's very disappointing for all of us. जो हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि आज अर्नब गोस्वामी को बेल मिल जाएगी, but it did not happen. So I just thought I will make this small video. Bombay High Court refused interim bail to Arnab Goswami in the 2018 abetment to suicide case, and they said that he should file for bail in the Sessions Court. So now, if it goes in Session Court, it will at least take 4 days. So I think he'll have to stay in jail for a few more days. There's one more option. I think they can. अर्नब गोस्वामी के लॉयर इस फैसले को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट दे डिसाइड. नहीं तो सेशन कोर्ट का फैसला तो 4 दिन में आएगा ही. सेशन कोर्ट ने ये भी कहा कि the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Alibag allowed the police team to investigate and interrogate Arnab Goswami for 3 hours daily in Taloja prison. It's regarding the Anvay Nayak abetment to suicide case. So he'll be interrogated. The possibilities seem to be very bleak. Lekin at least it's a time-bound thing, like 3 hours, so we can hope that कुछ तो जज ने लोगों की बात सुनी होगी. अर्नब गोस्वामी did not do anything to deserve this. In general, सब लोग ये समझते हैं. But it looks like a political vendetta. उनके ऊपर और भी बहुत सारे केसेस लगाए हुए हैं. उनकी वाइफ के ऊपर भी केस कर दिया, उनके सन के ऊपर भी केस कर दिया. All over the world, people are standing up for him. A lot of people understand that अगर मेरा आपका ओपिनियन मैच नहीं होता है, फिर भी we can still stand up for each other, and no one deserves to be arrested and assaulted like this. These are tough times. It's very hard to keep hope, but we are human and we are known to be hopeful. I think कि जब अर्नब गोस्वामी जेल से आएंगे तो he'll be a symbol of truth, justice and courage. And more than us, इसमें the tormentors have contributed in this. Because अगर उन्होंने ये नहीं किया होता, तो शायद आज जो he's emerged like a global hero, ऐसा नहीं होता. We, in these tough times, I would like to leave you with a quote from Martin Luther King Jr. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. तो ये हमारे ही ऊपर है. If we do not lose hope and keep doing the action that is required, keep supporting Arnab Goswami in every way, then disappointment is finite, but hope is infinite. You can look at these pictures. I'm sharing these with you. These images are from California, where I was also part of a protest for Arnab Goswami. Thank you so much, and we'll stay connected.
Arnab! I am! Arnab! I am! Arnab! I am! Arnab! We are! Arnab! We are! Arnab! We are! Arnab! We are! Arnab! I am! Arnab! I am! Arnab! I am! Arnab! We are! Arnab! We are! Arnab! We are! Arnab!
It's very disappointing what is happening with Arnab. We all support Arnab here from California. And अगर Arnab जैसे senior journalist और celebrity के साथ ऐसे हो सकता है, he can afford such expensive lawyer, तो आम आदमी के साथ क्या होगा? He needs to be released as soon as possible. मोदी जी please सबकी request सुनो और please मोदी जी जागो.
रिहा करो! 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 अर्नब को रिहा करो! रिहा करो! रिहा करो! अर्नब को रिहा